Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to use filter function in Excel. So I have a student details table here at the top, which contains name of the students, gender, department in which they have enrolled, and their scores in different subjects, maths, science, and English, the percentage value, and the grade. The requirement here is to list the students who have enrolled in science, commerce, and arts. In order to do that, we can use filter function and achieve the results very easily. So let me type is equal to filter. The first parameter is the array of students which we want to display based on the condition. So let me select the student array here, which contains the names, and I'll convert this to an absolute reference, next comma. Now, the second parameter is include condition. This is the condition we are going to build. This is the condition we are going to build. And if the condition qualifies, only that particular entity is displayed by the filter function. So in this case, I want to include students who have enrolled in science. So let me first select the entire department array here. Now this contains the entire list of departments. Now I want to display students only who have enrolled in science. So in order to achieve that, I am going to type the condition here is equal to, and I should type science. And I'm going to close the bracket and press enter. Now the filter function returns only the students who have enrolled in this subject science. Now if you have noticed, I hard-coded the value science here. Instead of hard-coding the value, I'm going to use the contents of this cell here above in A20. So this will give the value. Now press enter. You get the same results again. Now I want to list students who have enrolled only in commerce. Again, let me apply is equal to filter. Select the student array. Now build the second condition, which is to select the department array. First, let me convert the reference to an absolute reference. And even this one, I will convert it to an absolute reference. Now I want only students who have enrolled in commerce, and the value commerce is already there in the header here. I'm going to select the cell B20, which contains the value commerce, and close the bracket and press enter. So as you can see, the function returns students who have enrolled only in commerce. Now I can use the same formula here as well, but instead of typing the formula, I can simply drag this cell here to the next column, and the formula is automatically applied for arts. Now you can just verify the values. Students Arav Mehta, Sneha, Arjun, Ananya, Dev Patel have enrolled in science. Arav Mehta, Sneha, Arjun Das, Ananya, and Dev Patel have enrolled in science. And we have students Priya, Vikram, Meera, Priya, Vikram, Meera, Manav Rao, and Kavya Pillai in commerce. Similarly, these are the students in arts. In the next table, I want to list students who have scored values in maths, science, and English greater than 90. So similar to how we created the filter function, we are going to do the same filter function here. Let me type is equal to filter and then select the student array because we are going to display the students using the filter function. Press F4 to make it an absolute reference. Then we are going to build a conditional array here. Now we want to list students whose score is greater than 90 for the subject maths. So let me select the array for math here. Now let me convert it to an absolute reference, and the value in this range should be greater than 90. If that is so, only then display the student name. So close the bracket and press enter. And as you can see, we have three names where the students have scored greater than 90 for the maths subject. So we can quickly verify 90, Sneha Reddy, that's correct. Meera Joshi, 90, that's correct. Shruti Iyer 95. That is correct. I will now apply the same formula for science as well. So type is equal to filter. Select the student name array. Press F4, comma. Select the science array here. And the value of the cell should be greater than 90. Press enter. And we have the student names who have scored greater than 90 in science. Similarly, we can apply the same formula for English as well. Select the names array, comma, select the score array, which is English, and then the value should be greater than 90. Press enter. We just have one lady who have scored greater than 90 in English, and that is Shruti Iyer. She has scored greater than 90 in all the three subjects, maths, science, and English. This is a quick and short demonstration of the filter function. Hope you like the demonstration. Please press the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.